So Appilon Airdrop, Nctr Airdrop reward confirmed. Polkadot backed by. So CEO is Appilon, who is talking in the a conference about their project. So building Web3 like it's 1993. So how do you join? How I join? All sort of thing I will show you. Please keep attention in this video. So first thing first, click on this link, and after that go to your extension browser where you have MetaMask, OKX, Bitget wallet in extension way for connecting. So pretty easy way, therefore I'm saying that having extension to join a airdrop is necessary to have, but essentially you need to have that because world is going to toward those payment process. Maybe you cannot see any paper money in the future, so put your Gmail here for doing the register. I'm putting my on, and I will show. So put your password here that you are whatever Gmail you have. Sorry, Gmail. So I have agree all of terms of their you know they put on there. So click continue for being registered. Maybe it will take some time, but continue do that. And after that being a, a, being checked of their website that you are robot or man, select this type of thing, and here is please click on the most expensive object. So I already done that. Most expensive is home, so it is loading. Done. You have successfully subscribed to Appilon platform. Yes. Okay, anyways, check your email. You need to go your email, so I will pause here, and here is the their email that sent you to being verified. Complete the registration. Click on there, click this blue button, a shallow blue button, and after that which browser you are registered by, select that one, and yeah, automatically that bring into their existing wallet, that automatically would be verified. Until that, wait, because every airdrop they have a new website they built by their programmer coder. They just checked by you, therefore they provide you something. So here we put your password. Security purpose, don't show you this thing. Put your password here this way, this way. Anyways, so put your password like two small letter, one capital, some number, some symbol. Bam. Click on process. Must be 12 characters. Okay. Must be 12 characters. So I will put here my Gmail. Put your 12 characters password here and click on process. And after that, it will bring into their project overview. Join Nctr Airdrop. So anyways, here is enter Nctr airdrop. Click on there. Airdrop. Here is learn, build. Nctr when they register learn. Click on there, and here is the your task. Register. You get 10 reward. Ever apply to your friend. It doesn't necessary. And country extra wallet. Wait for TG. You already get some token here. So connect your wallet here. Connect your wallet. MetaMask, and that will bring into exactly MetaMask to doing some process for connecting with their website. And until that wait few minutes. Click your MetaMask password here, and yeah, unlock. After that, what you will do, they will suggest you which account you wanna connect. Click next, connect, and yeah, that will bring into exactly backed by that quest while you are doing airdrop. So wait few minutes, new site, new airdrop, therefore it's taking some time, but it doesn't matter how much time it will take. You need money and you need to do work good way. A new project, okay, come in here, connect wallet again, connect wallet, click on there again. If that is not connected, try over and over again, and bam, once a time it will be done. Never quit. Next, connect, and it is connecting. So yeah, it will take a signature from you that you are a owner of this browser or not, whatever they want. Accept them, and bam, done. So after that, you may collect your Nctr orders on leave Nctr leave. Wait for TG climb Nctr token. Wait for, and here is you need to wait for some moment, and I will I will notify you when any kind of thing will come. Okay, here is I don't know, you must be active completing airdrop tasks, otherwise you will not get any reward. So yeah, until this today, I will notify you if I get any, new 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 offer, new update from this airdrop. Okay, so see you later.